हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप यू विल बी फाइन एंड हेल्दी एंड कीप्स रिवाइजिंग योर सिलेबस। फ्रेंड्स, एनसीईआरटी ऐसी बुक है जिसको आप बार बार पढ़ेंगे, बार बार भूल जाएंगे, क्योंकि उसमें फैक्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। सो अगर आप उस टॉपिक पर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं तो वो चीज़ें आपकी पक्की हो जाएंगी और भूलेंगे नहीं। सो इस सेशन को अटेम्प्ट कीजिए और कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए कितने क्वेश्चन आपके सही हुए। और पीडीएफ पाने के लिए हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कीजिए, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। The phylum Annelida derived its name due to A. More organs are placed toward anterior part of the body. B. The presence of antenna. C. The presence of nephridia. D. The presence of metamers. Correct answer is option D. The presence of metamers. Next, members of phylum Annelida have A. Nephridia excretion. B. Parapodia swimming. C. Double ventral nerve cord neural system. D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next, the animals belonging to phylum Annelida use the following in locomotion: A. Nephridia and nephridial pores. B. Longitudinal and circular muscles. C. Organs of bursa. D. Spicules and ostia. Correct answer is option B, longitudinal and circular muscles. Next, which one of the following features is not present in the phylum Arthropoda? A. Metameric segmentation. B. Parapodia. C. Jointed appendages. D. Chitinous exoskeleton. Correct answer is option B, Parapodia. Next, the option that is not the respiratory organ of phylum Arthropoda is A. Tracheal system. B. Gills. C. Water vascular system. D. Book lungs. Correct answer is option C, water vascular system. Next, Malpighian tubules are A. Excretory organs of insects. B. Excretory organs of frog. C. Respiratory organs of insects. D. Endocrine glands of insects. Correct answer is option A. Excretory organs of insects. Next, the body of organisms belonging to phylum Mollusca is divided into A. Head, thorax and abdomen. B. Head, muscular foot and abdomen. C. Head, thorax, visceral hump and muscular foot. D. Head, muscular foot and visceral hump. Correct answer is option D. Head, muscular foot and visceral hump. Next, what is true about mollusca? A. The presence of metameric segmentation. B. The presence of mantle cavity and coelomic cavity. C. The presence of tissue level of organization. D. The presence of chitinous exoskeleton. Correct answer is option B. The presence of mantle cavity and coelomic cavity. Next, choose the incorrect option for phylum Mollusca. A. Body is covered by a calcareous shell and unsegmented. B. Feather-like gills present for excretion and respiration. C. The anterior head region had sensory tentacles. D. Mostly terrestrial, triploblastic and acoelomates. Correct answer is option D. Mostly terrestrial, triploblastic and acoelomates. Next, the organ that enables feeding in phylum Mollusca is A. Ctenidia. B. Undulating membrane. C. Ganglia. D. Radula. Correct answer is option D. Radula. Next, the nature of exoskeleton in echinoderms is A. Calcareous. B. Chitinous. C. Siliceous. D. Tunicine. Correct answer is option B. Chitinous. Next, the notochord-like structure of hemichordates is called A. Proboscis. B. Pyloric. C. Protochord. D. Stromochord. Correct answer is option D. Stromochord. Next, select the features which are present in hemichordates. A. Stromochord. B. Worm-like body. C. Gills. D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Next, the body of Balanoglossus is divided into A. Head and trunk. B. Head, neck and abdomen. C. Proboscis, collar and trunk. D. Prosoma, mesosoma and metasoma. Correct answer is option C. Proboscis, collar and trunk. Next, phylum Chordata is divided into subphyla, namely A. Vertebrata, Protochordata and Urochordata. B. Urochordata, Gnathochordata, Vertebrata and Cephalochordata. C. Urochordata, Tunicata and Vertebrata. D. Tunicata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Correct answer is option D, Tunicata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Next, the member of which of the following are often referred as protochordates? A. Urochordata, B. Cephalochordata, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Next, which of the following options about the class Cyclostomata is incorrect? A. Cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. B. Elongated body bearing scales and paired fins. C. Gill slits for respiration. D. Sucking and circular mouth. Correct answer is option B, elongated body bearing scales and paired fins. Next, chondrichthyes is characterized by tooth-shaped A. Placoid scale with dorsal mouth, B. Ctenoid scale with dorsal mouth, C. Ctenoid scale with ventral mouth, D. Placoid scale with ventral mouth. Correct answer is option D, placoid scale with ventral mouth. Next, which statement is incorrect about class chondrichthyes? A. Presence of placoid scales, B. Presence of air bladder, C. Presence of cartilaginous endoskeleton, D. Notochord is persistent only at larval stage, after that it disappears. Correct answer is option D, notochord is persistent only at larval stage, after that it disappears. Next, body cavity in arthropods is A. Coelom, B. Hemocoel, C. Pseudocoel, D. coelentron. Correct answer is option B, hemocoel. Next, pair of heads present in earthworm are A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Correct answer is option D, 4. Next, mollusk group in which eye resemble the vertebrate eye is A. Bivalvia, B. Gastropoda, C. Scaphopoda, D. Cephalopoda. Correct answer is option D, Cephalopoda. Next, a phylum that includes exclusively marine animals is A. Porifera, B. Coelenterata, C. Protozoa, D. Echinodermata. Correct answer is option D, Echinodermata. Next, C star belongs to the class A. Crinoidea, B. Echinoidea, C. Asteroidea, D. Furoidea. Correct answer is option C, Asteroidea. Next, besides Annelida and Arthropoda, the metamerism is exhibited by A. Acanthocephala, B. Chordata, C. Mollusca, D. Cestoda. Correct answer is option D, Cestoda. Next, which of the following is an egg-laying mammal? A. Kangaroo, B. Ratus, C. Ornithorhynchus, D. Ornitholagus. Correct answer is option C, Ornithorhynchus. Next, Hirudinaria and Ferretima are the representative of the phylum A. Cnidaria, B. Platyhelminthes, C. Annelida, D. Nemathelminthes. Correct answer is option C, Annelida. Next, select the correct pair A. Arthropoda silverfish, B. Pisces jellyfish, C. Echinodermata cuttlefish, D. Mollusca starfish. Correct answer is option A, Arthropoda silverfish.